take a look inside my Phantom wallet, you'll notice that I've managed to hit 6 figures, and I've not done this through trading. I have done this through deving. You're going to watch this video and I will show you a simple step-by-step process that has allowed me to dev my own coins without a single line of coding every single time. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. All right, everyone, I thank you for your patience, but I promise you we will be getting to the live demonstration portion very soon. However, one thing I wanted to do is have a look at one of the stories unfolding with one of these coins here. So you can see with this coin in this 1 day period, so there was this massive flatline, and then after this 1 day period, everything just blew up over the course of a week. So, imagine if you're trading, on this coin, you have to wait nearly 6 days to really start making some serious money. And of course, this coin still would have the potential to rocket up to the moon, but then there's just an equal amount of chance that the dev is going to pull the rug and everybody loses their money. So people don't really have the confidence to stick around for that long. So if everyone else doesn't have the confidence, that means that you can't make as much profit. But what if I were to tell you we can do something that allows us to consistently make money that doesn't necessarily rely on the confidence of other traders too much? We can start having really clean, successful P&Ls like this guy here. That is using createcoin.fund. That way we can launch our own coin with no coding required. We don't need to know a single line of coding to get our coin on the market. We just need to push a few buttons, and that's all there is to it. It's not complicated, but one of the things I also need to show you is the kind of markets that can be launched onto, okay? So here we have the pump market. Now, pump used to be really good back in the day, but now there's just so many shit coins on pump now. Every time you upload a coin, it's you and 10,000 others plus all the ones that already existed. So that means that the market caps are significantly reduced. That means your coin doesn't have the room to grow and it can't get past the noise. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to a more advantageous market, which is called the Meteora market. Now that you can look at by hitting dynamic on Axiom, and you can have a look at the Meteora market there. So we have got tens of Ks here, 48,000 there, and then there are coins that go into the millions, hundreds of Ks. I have seen it at times going even into the billions. There are none here today, it looks like. I might find one in a minute. At the moment, you can see there's several millions in certain coins, and that is a market we are going to use via CreateCoin. Now, in the Phantom wallet, I've got just over $100 there, so that is important. Make sure you've got that much Solana in your wallet. Then you simply hit connect and hit Phantom, and then you are connected. Easy peasy, okay? So simple so far. Right, next, it's talking about actually creating the coin itself. Now, typically, you would create a name, a symbol, and an image. You'd assign it to some kind of narrative, whether it be a trend or a tweet or whatever, right? But it takes a lot of work and a lot of time. So we are not going to do that. We are going to hit copy trending instead. Now, copy trending shows us all the coins that are doing really well on the pump market. Remember, this is a more volatile and less friendly marketplace, so these coins are reliable. So what that means is we can take advantage of all that hype and all that momentum and just put ourselves in the winning spot. Okay, so the things in this method, they compound on each other, right? So you've got a few things here. You've got the market cap, you've got the name, you've got when it was last paired, so you can use that to make a decision. But I'll be honest with you, all of these, for the amount of time we're running this coin, are good. Okay, you can pick brain rot. We're gonna hit copy coin on this red line one, and then we are gonna copy that over. So what's gonna happen is your wallet will appear with this request blocked initially, so make sure you hit proceed, confirm, tick the box, and confirm anyway. All right, this is not meaning that anything has gone wrong. This is a standard part of the process. You just have to tick through all of these in order to get your coin created. Now, our coin is created, but it is not live yet. We need to put an initial investment in. We're going to create a liquidity pool. You don't need to change any of these details except the amount of SOL. That's the only thing we're going to do. That's how we create the liquidity pool. We don't need to worry about the amount of tokens or the name or anything like that, because obviously all that stuff is already in a good position, so we don't need to worry about it. Now, I have experimented with the amount of SOL. I typically put in 0.2. You can put in a little bit more if you'd like. Then all you do is you click create pool, and then in a few moments we will be live and on the market. But there is just one more thing we need to do before that. So here is our coin here. You can see we've got the name, we've got the pool, we've got the amount of SOL there, the 0.2, we've got the amount of tokens, and our initial value of $15. So you can see this lightning bolt button here. This is the final crucial step in this method. So you've got to click this and you have to boost your token. All right, this is a very important part of the process. So all of these things compound on top of each other. You've obviously got the initial marketed coin. You've then got the better market to put it on. And finally, we are going to bump ourselves up to the top of Dex Screener's trending list. Costs us 0.25 Sol, but we will make that money back and then some. It lasts an hour, so you can run this for a whole hour with maximum efficiency. So we are going to pay that. We are going to hit boost, and then the method is complete. And all we have to do is watch and then decide when we want to rake the cash in. So we're going to hit confirm on that. We are live and ready to go. I'm going to show us the Dex Screener footage and let's see how we go. So here's the start of our coin, and bang, already 28 traders. Fantastic. Next update doubled. Excellent, or near enough doubled. So look at this, guys. So already our market cap is pretty big. 1.8k. That's pretty good. We're already ahead of most of the competition on pump. 2.3 now. So as you can see, this really works. The compounding effects are snowballing here, and we have got a hot coin. I make money on these videos, of course, otherwise I wouldn't be showing you. And if you want to be in with a chance of winning half of what I make this video, you need to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will put you into a prize draw where you could win half of the profit I make from this video. Now, I'm going to run this for a little bit. Let's take a look at liquidity. 2.1k, a fantastic number so far. Nearly coming up to 1,000 transactions, guys. This is brilliant. You can see how the Dex Screen boost has helped us. So we are back to create coin. Let's have a look at the estimated value now. So of course it started off at $15. Okay, so let's see. Now this is loading up here. Bear with me a moment. Yes. Okay, 1.15k, guys. I think that's roughly 100x of what we made initially. So let's have a look here. We are going to remove 100% of the liquidity. We'll confirm that, and now I'll come out of full screen. We'll have a look in the Phantom wallet, and we're going to see how much money we made. We started off with just over 100. We now have just over 1,000, guys. We have 10x'd. That is incredible. You've got to get on this method.